Hey yo, what's up guys? How you doing? This is my mini lathe I just purchased from a tooling workshop, and I really like it, so I want to show something to you. You can see this very small. I just take all the part out to do some minor clean. You can see uh, this is the chuck and it's not original. The diameter is around 110 millimeter. This is a collet lathe, but they put the chuck in. This chuck is not original, so I want to find a new one to replace this to make it look nicer. Okay, you can see in the back here. Uh, yeah, this is the collet for clamping. We have a cam here. Yeah, a level here, so I can clamp the stock using this collet. And take a look inside. Yeah, this is the inside, the gear and the bell from the motor. Everything look nice to me, and it take around nearly 700 bucks for this machine, so I'm very happy. Yeah, this is the tailstock with the number one tapper. You can see very long tailstock, around 200 millimeter compared to the machine. Yeah. Oh, the slide and the tool pause, everything look pretty cool. We have some minor rust here on the surface, so it need to do some yeah, hand polishing and cleaning to make everything smooth and look shiny. Yes, this is Japanese made, so the quality is, I think, is very good. You can see this how they make the machine, very engineered. Yeah, everything is smooth. It can we can use to make thread. You can see we have a thread table here, so you can select the gear to cut the thread. This is a switch, and yeah, there's one bad thing that I'm not satisfied is the previous owner, they cut off this cover to make this shit. Yeah, so I don't like it. They modify a mechanism here to make this automatically, so they cut out this housing here. You can see they make the cut out here, so this is crazy. I think we should fix this. We put it in the original shaft, so the machine will look better. This one is already repainted, so the paint is not good, and I decided to yeah, put everything out and then paint it again after I make everything is good. Let's take a look on the brand. This is the Eguro, and one thing is make me very surprised is the manufacturing date. You take the tag here, see that? And we try to focus on this. Yeah, you can see this is the manufacturing date. So I think with this purchase, with nearly 700 bucks, is much better to get one when I consider between one use Japanese lathe with a Chinese made. show the quality of the Chinese machine is not good and they will not last long. Yeah, I think so. So I choose this one. Very cool and very small. You can put it any corner in your shop, your house. The gear and everything is still good. We have a brake panel here, and the tool part, I just take out tool parts, take apart everything to do some minor cleaning. Yeah, this is the tool parts. I take it out, need to do some cleaning. This is the tool parts base, and this is the tool parts. Yeah, I have a high-speed steel tool also attack on this parts. Okay, and it's missing the cover, so someone put this plate on. It look not so nice, so we have to modify this also, make a new one and put it on, so the machine will look like a chair. Okay, this is the look from the back. You can see here the table is not open, so the chip cannot get into here. You can see this is the screw for threading. It's just below the table. Yeah, it's below the table, so this is the thread dial, I think so. Because this is not open, so the chip cannot get into this. The thread is look nice, and it doesn't show any wear. Yeah, this is the level for the collet, for clamping and unclamp the collet. Yeah, you can see this level. And here, this is for, we put some gear for threading, but when I bought the machine is missing. I only got one, and this one we have only 2 gears, so I think it's missing 2. So yeah, maybe we need to have we have to make a replacement gear for the threading, but no problem. We can base on this table to find the parameter of the gear, no problem. And this is the electric panel. Maybe this original. This model use a three phase electric, but in my house there are no 3-phase electric, so I decided to use this inverter. Yeah, to run the machine, to provide the power and run the machine. Also change the direction of the motor. Take a look on the model. You can see very big. It's a large motor. This is a 1 kilowatt motor. You can see the pulley. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 level of speed here, and we have 4, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 level of speed here. But I can control the speed using this inverter. Yeah, you can see the motor is very big, and I try to run this. It runs very smooth. When I run the motor, you can see there a sound, a noise. I mean, it's something from here, but the spindle is very smooth, and yeah, no sound, so it's quite good. The pulley here is in great condition. this is the table for the speed ring. Yeah, very rigid. And this on casting. The housing is cast metal, cast iron. Is very good. So there's some part make up brass, and when they're wear you can replace it, make a new one and replace it, so you can save the screw here. You just need to make a new nut here from brass. You can see that. This later use the dovetail rail. This is the dovetail. We have some small scratching and yeah, rust here. This is the gear, the level to lock. Yeah, lock, unlock. Yeah, this is overall look for the lathe, and we also have two bottles to contain the oil, but yeah, the pin here is break and I need to replace this also. You can see. Overall, everything looked great to me. And after I do the overall clean and yeah, repaint it and make it great again. Yeah, let's make this lathe great again. We bring the United States manufacturing back. Boom, boom, boom. Oh man, sorry. Oh, yeah, they cheering. Okay. Very nice. And let's take a look on the slide here. We have a replaceable. I don't know what to call this in English. Yeah, we can take this out, do some clean, and when it warm out, we can replace a new one. Yeah, a little rust. Need to clean them all. You can see. This is the insert. I don't know what to call it, but we have it all here on the tool pause. I will put it here and I will put it back. Okay, we have some T-bolt here to clamp this onto this. Very carefully made, right? We also have a improvised stopper here. I believe this they make in Japan also when they make the part. This is the stopper. We have the original stopper here, but they make another stopper here with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 hole for stopper like this. Very see, we have a little rundown here in the chuck, so we don't want to turn the spindle too much. So we're going to take out the chuck and do some modification. Okay. This is the stopper. Very cool. You can quickly adjust this stopper and move it here to here. Any position you want. Quick adjustment. This jack is not installed properly, proper, properly, so we need to take it out and do some indicating to make sure it's not run out so much. I don't want to get hurt with this. Okay, I will be back with some update after I finish cleaning this. We are attacking the base for the tool post. We have two T-bow here. This is the tool post base. You can see the surface. Still too much rust here and needs to be cleaned after. Okay, you can see we have a brass nut here for replacement. Okay, it's smoother than we bought it. This is the seam plate for the post. Put it here. Ủa không phải này hả ta? Sao này dài vậy? Lắp vô kia. Put the screw in. Ủa đúng chiều không? Cái đó cái cục thau này ở trong hả?
Mà trước là xoay sau. Lựa cái 258 vào.
Okay, so the tool pause after we put it back. Need some adjustment for smooth movement. We have a notch here for aligning the post. Here. This is a notch for aligning. Not too smooth. We need some lubricating. Yeah. But it's quite smooth like this. This we assemble the tailstock. They make it very carefully. We have a live center here. Naka no one tapper.
Nhẹ đấy. Sơ sơ mà nhẹ đấy. Đây là mầm.
You can see the tailstock is very long.
Yeah.
And the dial here is 0.02 millimeter deviation. Precise enough. Yes. So this is overall look of the machine. we want to remove this modification and remake this housing, so we want to put it back to original shape.
Đấy.
Okay, so it is the first cleaning.
Nhìn không giống sợi, không giống sợn.
Yeah, it's very nice. The tomb pots is now smoother, especially this one. Not friction. This is still a little bit hard. And this, yeah, still stick a little bit. I cannot rotate. It's smooth. Yeah, it's still stick. But the tailstock here at this area where there's no rust is very smooth and light. Very smooth, right? They also make an attachment here for the stopper, so they want to make sure this pin is not hit into the part of the lathe, so very carefully make. I have a training bolt here for training the coolant. Overall, this look great and worth for the money. Nice machine for nice guys, right? Shit, this fucking nice. I love it.